Earning free crypto isn't hard, but you have to know what to do. So here's your crash course on how to earn free AVAX and set up gains that could change your life. It's time to discover crypto. Let's start with the basics here. Not your keys, not your crypto. It's not just a catchphrase, it could be the difference between a trip to the moon and a trip to bankruptcy court. Seriously, there's a huge difference between custodial and non-custodial staking. So before we go running off to earn our free AVAX, let's break this down so we're all on the same page. Custodial staking means you are handing over your hard-earned crypto to someone else to stake it for you. This could be okay if you trust whoever you're giving your crypto to, but the whole point of crypto is to not have to rely on third parties like FTX or Celsius. If the entity you're trusting goes out of business or gets hacked or rug pulls, then you could be left with nothing. So remember, not your keys, not your crypto. I learned this firsthand when I lost 2 ETH on Celsius, and I don't want the same thing to happen to you. So be careful out there. That said, some of the biggest platforms that offer custodial crypto staking include Coinbase, Bitstamp, Binance, KuCoin, OKX, and several others. But your access to these staking services varies depending on your jurisdiction, so make sure you look before you leap into this. Kraken was forced to settle with the SEC and pay a $30 million fine in 2023, and that included a requirement that Kraken shut down their staking as a service program in the US. So if you're in the US, the SEC is working hard to make sure that non-custodial staking is your only option to earn staking rewards. So you might as well start learning how it's done. Go ahead, smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on any of this crucial crypto content. Okay, before we walk through how to stake AVAX, first, some basic tools and information on AVAX staking. The current estimated reward rate is 7.9%. That means that on average, stakers of Avalanche are earning about 7.9% if they stake their Avalanche for 1 year. A validator must stake at least 2,000 AVAX to participate in the network consensus, while to become a delegator, you must hold 25 AVAX. The minimum period for staking is 2 weeks, and the maximum period is 1 year for both validators and delegators. The official validators website for the AVAX network has a lot of updated information about staking rewards, number of validators and delegators, and a staking rewards calculator in case you need to do a little moon math. I also recommend checking out stakingrewards.com, which is a great resource for information on any proof of stake network. It's also full of little tools and charts like this one that shows you the changes in staking rewards and price for AVAX over time. As with most proof of stake networks, you can stake your AVAX from a variety of different wallets. Hardware wallets like Ledger are always a popular self-custody option, but today I want to introduce you to a new browser extension wallet called Core, which just released their new public beta and has radically changed and improved the user experience for staking AVAX. I'm actually really excited about this because it makes the whole process so much more smooth. You can find some written instructions for this on the AVAX website, and I'll drop a link in the description below. But for now, I'm gonna walk you through it step by step so you're ready to earn your free AVAX. It's helpful to understand the chains or subnets on the Avalanche network, and they have 3 main chains that connect all of its subnets: the P chain, X chain, and C chain. The P chain manages validators and custom subnets. The X chain is the default blockchain for the creation and exchange of assets, and the C chain is the EVM compatible chain that facilitates smart contracts and dApps. You'll need to transfer your AVAX to the P chain, but we'll get on that in a minute. First, you're gonna have to install the Core extension on your web browser. Then you'll need to create a wallet and bring in at least 25 AVAX if you want to delegate, and 2,000 AVAX if you want to be a validator. Instructions on setting up a validator can also be found on Avalanche's website, but for this video, we're going to focus on delegating. To transfer AVAX tokens into your brand new Core wallet, just copy the receiving address from your wallet and paste it in as the destination address on whatever wallet you're sending your AVAX from. Go ahead and approve that transaction, and it should bring the AVAX into your Core wallet. Pro tip, it's usually a good idea to do a test transaction first with a smaller amount of coins first. This will let you confirm that you've got the right address and everything is working properly, so you know you're safe to send the rest of your coins to that address. It might take a little bit for your AVAX to come through into that destination wallet, so don't panic if they don't appear immediately. Once you connect your Core extension wallet to Core Web, navigate to Stake and then to the Delegate panel. At this point, you'll see a prompt to learn more, which links to helpful additional information provided by the Avalanche team. When ready, click on Get Started to proceed with delegating. This is the point in the process where you really need to understand subnets and the different chains in the Avalanche ecosystem. In order to delegate, AVAX must be present on the P chain. So you just transferred your AVAX in on the X chain. You'll need to transfer the coins over to the P chain. This is pretty easy to do on Core, but you just need to know that going in so you can shift your AVAX over to the right place to stake it. Then based on the total AVAX available on the P chain in your wallet, you can specify how much AVAX to delegate and click Next. Core then provides users their choice of staking duration. User interface even includes a yield curve to show estimated staking rewards for each duration. Predefined durations range from 1 day to 1 year, and users can also choose their own end date if they really want to. Really great system here, highly customizable, and easy to use and understand. But remember, you have to stake a minimum of 25 AVAX for at least 14 days in order to become a delegator. Next, users select the node they want to delegate their AVAX to. Validators charge fees to those delegating AVAX, and those fees, represented as percentages, are listed in the menu of possible nodes. I recommend a site called All Nodes to check out any node you're considered delegating to. Great resource so you can look before you leap when choosing a validator. When you've chosen a node, click Select and then Next. Finally, input a wallet address for any staking reward to be delivered to. Users can choose between their connected P-chain wallet address or enter a custom address. Core lets you view a summary of your delegating process and your selections, and then click Submit Delegation to complete the process. And then confirm the transaction in the Core browser extension. Once completed, users will see their delegation was successful, and you'll be able to view the transaction information by checking the AVAX Subnet Explorer or return to Core Stake to watch as you earn that free crypto. And that's it. You're all set up to earn free AVAX on Core. Let me know down in the comments below if you're planning to switching over to staking AVAX on Core, and let me know what other proof of stake networks you're earning staking rewards on. That's all I got for this video, but I'll see you at the next one, and I'll see you at the top.